Hey guys, Mr. Matus here. I'll be the instructor for INTC 1355, which is Instrumentation for Process Measurement and Control. What we're going to do in here is we're going to build processes, and we're going to talk about all the little details inside of processes, and I'm going to teach you how to tune these processes so that we can get to our set point as efficiently as possible. Lots of little nuts and bolts inside of that. This book that you see here can be purchased in the bookstore. However, I don't require you to have a hard copy of that. The digital version will work just fine. I almost prefer the digital version because it's about $100 cheaper. So there's some benefit and relief in that. In this class, you will take 4 lecture grades. You'll take 4 lecture tests, and you'll take 4 lab tests. Lecture and lab are separated. You must pass the lecture and you must pass the lab to have those 2 grades averaged together so that you can pass the class. If you fail lecture or if you fail lab and pass the other, you still fail the class. So you must have a passing grade in both lecture and lab to proceed out of this class. What else? I will be taking attendance in both lecture and lab. I want to make sure that you do have your camera available to you so that I know that you're there. What we often run into is people turn their cameras off and I can't tell if they're still actively engaged in class. So what I want to do is make sure that every one of my students does have a camera that is working. And we'll get, if that's an issue, we'll get to that at some other time. If that is an issue, email johnmatus@tstc.edu. Right? John Dot. I don't know if you can see that there's a dot right there. Make sure you don't miss that part. Send me an email, and that's pretty much about all the stuff that we have for the introduction for 1355. We'll see you guys in class.